Hello everyone and welcome to the board. Today's problem use all four operations. 7 minus 2 times 0 plus 6 divided by 3. It looks simple. Be careful, two traps are hiding in this one line. Here is what not to do. Don't calculate left to right from the start. And don't do the plus before the minus. These two habits give wrong answers, like 5 or 2. We use PEMDAS. P parentheses, E exponents, M and D equal rank multiplication and division left to right, and addition and subtraction equal rank left to right. On the board, there is no parentheses, no exponents. We skip, so multiplication and division go first. They are stronger than plus and minus. Multiplication and division first. 2 times 0 is 0. The 0 erases itself. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now the problem is simply 7 minus 0 plus 2. Left to right. 7 minus 0 is 7. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. That's the final answer. Now your turn. 10 minus 2 times 3 plus 8 divided by 4. Same rules. Pause the video, take your time, and write your answer in the comments. And I will pin the correct one. Thanks for the learning with me today. See you in the next one.